A single implant is something that you use when you're missing a tooth. So anywhere you're missing a tooth, as long as you have the right bone or the right space for a tooth, you can replace it usually with an implant. And what an implant is it's basically a little screw that acts like a tooth root. So the implant goes where your tooth root used to be, and then we use that to connect a crown to it. So we connect what looks just like a tooth to that implant, and now you basically have a brand new tooth that looks and feels like a tooth. It's permanent, it does not come in and out, and it essentially everyone would see it and think that it's a normal tooth. You're born with all your teeth for a reason. If you lose one and replace it with an implant, you're really preserving the whole mouth and keeping everything really stable the way it was designed to be. So implants can do something that impacts more than just the mouth. It really does help a person have more confidence or feel better or be healthier. And so that's been really fun and rewarding, and most dentists don't do it from start to finish. So for us to be able to just focus on that, we get to spend a lot of time with our patients and really explain the process, take you through the beginning all the way to the end. If there's ever any concerns, you know exactly where to go. We know exactly what to do to handle it, and it just makes the journey easier, I find, for people, and it's been really fun to help people through that whole thing. It's really easy for people to eat unhealthy foods, the soft foods, the donuts, the breads, the things that don't provide quite as much nutrients as maybe the salads and the vegetables and a hard carrot or things like that. So when people have really broken down teeth or worn teeth or missing teeth, they tend to be really careful and avoid those foods. And so if you can replace teeth with things that are extremely strong and durable, patients go back to chewing the way they were supposed to. And so patients tell me that after dental implants, they can eat healthier and just chew easier, and they're able to live a healthier lifestyle. I've had a lot of patients tell me that they think they're too old, or maybe it's not worth investing in their smile or their teeth, and you're never too old to enjoy a healthy meal or be able to smile. And I saw people kind of shy away from it, and then once they're done, they come back and they just tell me how glad they are that they actually did it and how it's changed their life, or that they can smile with their grandkids in a photo now. One tooth or one part of the smile can really change your whole outlook on life, and people are friendlier when they're done. They smile more, they are more outgoing, and that is just really cool for me to see. Whether it's a front tooth for smiling or a back tooth for chewing, patients when they're done are really glad they did it, found it a lot easier than they expected it to be, and just have the results they were looking for.